Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, depending on whatever time you are watching this. If you are new to the channel, I'm Sean, and this is NOVATazz. Before we get into today's video, I wanted to update a few things going on. Number one, if you were one of the people that was requesting one of my shop stickers, please leave me a message in the comments or inbox me on Instagram. Because I have literally forgotten who all had asked for me for them, and I was trying to get letters out written for each one, and I just haven't gotten to it. So bear with me, send me a message, update me, let me know you want one of these stickers, and we'll trade. I also did get a couple of these stickers for my vehicles. Not sure which vehicles I'm going to put them on or where I'm going to put them yet, but I think those will go on the vehicle shortly. Update on the Novas. They are literally waiting for the garage to be emptied and the TA to get back on the road, which is part of what we're going to be doing today. So this video is the next step in getting the Trans Am back on the road and legal. So let's get to it and have a nice day. Enjoy the video. Good morning and welcome to the channel. I am NOVATazz and this is NOVATazz Customs. This is my 79 Trans Am, and today we're going to set the timing on it and get it running right. But first, we got a truck to get out of a garage so we can get that thing in next week. Alright, let's get to it.
Makes it look powered steering, doesn't it?
Alright.
Alright, well there you have it. She's moved, and we're going to go and set the timing on the Trans Am now. So I will see you over there in a minute. Alrighty guys, so we're back from moving the truck, and we're going to get started on this. I had to jump the battery, so that's why everything's already started. But we're going to fire it up. I already have the timing light on it, and the idle's set at 500 RPMs. We're going to check the timing. I want it around 18 degrees, and then we're going to hook the starter back, the vacuum advance back up, and see how she runs. So let's get to it. It's going to be noisy, so I'm not going to do a whole lot of talking. I'm just going to do what I need to do and get done. So enjoy. next time. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, share it with your buddies. All right, peace.